Able teachers and aptic students, this is Monima Roy welcoming you to another practice aptics practice test grammar and vocabulary. Hope you will get a new idea, and here also you will get all the question answers, and you will also uh, get the opportunity to practice it from British Council demo test, and hope it will help a little to your understanding and for preparation. At the very beginning, a little request to you: if you are a new visitor of this channel, please subscribe my channel, and if you like it, please like and share with your friends, and I think you will get the next videos. And let's start. At the very beginning of this start, I am telling you that you will get 25 minutes to answer all 50 questions from this part, and so let's practice it. It will come, please wait. And during your examination you will see for many reasons it may make some lates, but don't be upset, the questions will come without any severe network problem. You will get all the questions on time. So welcome to aptics grammar and vocabulary test. The test contains of two sections: grammar 25 questions, vocabulary 25 questions, total time 25 minutes. When you click on the start button, the test will begin. So this is the start button. If I click here, the questions will come one by one, and you have to remember that you have to answer all 50 questions in 25 minutes. So if you practice it more, of course it will be easier for you. So let's start, and just match your answers with my one, and all the question answers are okay. So when you practice yourself, just uh, match your answer with my one. Okay, let's start. I enjoy working on challenging projects at work. So do I. You dash to do your homework by tomorrow. There were dash than 50 people in the audience last night. There were fewer. The children dash playing football for 2 hours before it started raining. I was going to work when I saw Steve. We dash have caught the early train as the football match was delayed. We need not have. She reads every day. Dash she isn't serious. But she isn't serious. Excuse me, I'm lost. Dash, you help me. Could you help me? That man is so unreliable. You can't trust him. Frankly, I wouldn't work with him. I just heard they are dash get married in June. Going to get married in June. I wish it dash the time of year when I could go on holiday. It where? I had a shower dash I went to bed. Then I went to bed. Go to the end of the street and turn dash the right. There will be nothing here. In those days, my father dash never eat dinner after 8 o'clock. Would never. He dash finished cooking when we arrived. He had finished cooking when we arrived. I don't think it's right for dash children to play with toy guns. For children to play with toy guns. He dash in Cairo. He lives in Cairo. I dash used to swim mass. But now I have my own pool. I swim every day. I didn't used to swim mass. Dash, you like to go out this evening? Would you like to go to? If you are a better cook, you dash need to eat out of the time. You wouldn't need to eat out all the time. William dash in South America now. Is living. How much dash the train to Santiago cost? How much does the train to Santiago cost? He is single. He never married. We could cook dinner. On the other hand, we could buy some takeaway food. The film starts dash 4:30. The film starts at 4:30. The grammar part is over. Now we will go to vocabulary part, and you can see that I have taken only 8 minutes to complete the grammar part, and if you need I think the questions here the standard will be like this. And if you have any confusion, I think if you analyze the answer, you will get the logic. So I'm not taking more time to describe it, because so let's go to our vocabulary part. Okay, you see many questions, and all the questions here, the options will come in the drop down situation, and the options are here. The first one is done for us. So study, go, begin, plan, listen, read, run, choose, speak, and get. So study is read, receive, get, start, begin, talk, speak, pick, choose. So here we have got 5 questions and 5 options we have chosen, and let's go to our next question. Question number 1 here. To cover with paper or material is to wrap. Wrapping something with some paper or materials. To improve or change is to adjust. To state or make public, to announce. To get somewhere is to arrive. To put something together is assemble. So these are the similar meaning of the larger words here is described, and it is described in a single word. Next question is, more and more people dash for their holidays these days. More and more people go abroad for their holidays these days. Drivers need to remain dash when in charge of a car. Drivers need to remain alert. The city has dash and interesting buildings. City has many ancient and interesting buildings. She is a highly articulate person who explains things clearly. He has a very aggressive person, always getting into fights. So these are the questions. We have completed all these, and let's go to the next question. Timetable, schedule, reward, price, QE, line, phase, stage, error, mistake. These are the questions we have already done. Go to the next question. So here you are to combine the words with the given word, and from the options you have to choose aerobics classes, agriculture minister, Ashley sit, apron strengths, atom bomb. These are the questions, and we have done all these. So next we will go and then we will finish the test. Do you want to finish the test? Up to this you are to do, and this is the end of the test. We have seen that we have already finished, and we have more 8 minutes.